Asana versus Microsoft Project. When it comes to project management software, Asana and Microsoft Project are two of the most widely used platforms. Each offers unique features, interfaces, and functionalities designed to cater to different types of users. Here's a detailed comparison to help you decide which one fits your needs. Asana focuses on task and project management, while Microsoft Project focuses on comprehensive project management and scheduling. The target audience of Asana is teams, startups, small to medium businesses, but Microsoft Project is for larger organizations, enterprises, and project managers. Asana is a cloud-based version available on web, iOS, and Android. And Microsoft Project is a desktop Windows cloud for Microsoft 365. Asana has a strong emphasis on team collaboration, while Microsoft Project focuses on in-depth planning and resource allocation. Asana is easy to use and user-friendly, but Microsoft Project is more complex, robust features for large-scale projects. Asana makes sure of task management, collaborations, and a simple, intuitive design for user interface. It has reporting and tracking, automation, and integrations, while Microsoft Project has the ability to project scheduling and planning, resource management, also collaborations, reporting and tracking, customization, and integrations, limited third-party integrations compared to Asana. They both offer free plan, but Asana has a free available plan, but Microsoft doesn't have a free plan because it requires a subscription for full features. Paid plans of Asana starts at $10.99 per month, and Microsoft Project also starts at $10 per month. Choose Asana if you are a small, medium-sized business or startup looking for a simple, flexible project management tool. You need a strong team collaboration features with an easy-to-use interface. And choose Microsoft Project if you're working with large, complex projects, especially in enterprise-level organizations. You need advanced resource management, scheduling, and reporting tools. Your team is already heavily invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.